very good, clean, all the time. So somebody invite me in this hotel in Petrostok, invite me at your house. Tourists, it's beautiful city. I like it. Yeah, what is this? The globe? Very good.
Holland, Holland. From Mexico.
Yes, from Mexico. Okay.
Okay?
Okay, it's correct. Okay.
Gitara.
Yeah, the guitar. Piano. The piano.
Potato.
Yes. Kazakhstan, beautiful people. I like Kazakhstan is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The people, everything very good. Thank you so much, everybody. Спасибо. До свидания.